Located at an altitude of 1,522 meters above sea level, on the border of the Dolomites and the Alps, Madonna di Campiglio is considered, along with Corvara, the most prestigious ski resort in Italy. In this video, we will show you the most important things to know about Madonna di Campiglio, and if you stay until the end of the video, you will get some great tips. The closest airports to Madonna di Campiglio are Verona and Brescia, both with a transfer time of 2 hours and 15 minutes. Given that most resort ski areas have unique names, we were surprised to learn that Madonna di Campiglio's ski area was literally just called Ski Area. The ski area consists of 150 kilometers of connected ski runs, including the resorts of Marileva, Folgarida, and since 2016, after the build of Pinzolo Campiglio Express, the Pinzolo ski resort. The uniqueness of Madonna di Campiglio comes from the fact that it sits on the border of the Dolomites and the Alps, at the foot of the Dolomite Sprinter Group, a UNESCO heritage site. Madonna di Campiglio sits in the middle of the Adamello Brenta Nature Park, which is known for its diversity of fauna and flora, and famous as the only place in Western Europe where bears exist in nature, so be careful with your off-piste adventures. The ski area spreads from the altitude of 2,500 meters to 850 meters above sea level. It has 45 blue runs, 37 red runs, and 18 black runs. There are 60 ski lifts, and the most important cable cars for you to know are Cinque Laghi cable car that will lift you to Cinque Laghi area, where the steepest run of the whole area, as well as the FIS World Cup run, are located. By the way, this run is illuminated at night. I recommend that you take the Pinzolo Campiglio Express lift system from this area that will take you to Pinzolo with an outstanding view along the way. In Pinzolo, you'll find the best views of both Brenta and the Presena and Adamello glaciers. This lift system is also connected to the southern part of Madonna di Campiglio to the ski area too. Spinale will take you to Spinale Peak, the origin of some great black runs, and to the beginning of one of the best toboggan courses in Italy. Prada Lago will take you to Prada Lago area, which has lots of beginner slopes. Prada Lago area connects you to the ski resorts of Marileva and Folgarida, and also connects between Cinque Laghi area and Campo Carlo Magno. In Campo Carlo Magno, you can find many cross-country trails, as well as the Groste lift system that will lead you to the highest point in the ski area. Groste area has the highest altitude and the best snow conditions in the late season, and one of the top 5 snow parks in Europe. Ursus Snow Park. The park has a fast 8-seater chairlift along its side, very important for park rats. By the way, Ursus in Latin means bear. The village itself is quite charming, with a small pedestrian area in the middle of the village, and many shops of high-end Italian fashion. The best club in the village is Piano 54, and there are many other bars and cafes in town. The town is a great ski resort for foodies because there are many good restaurants around, and 3 of them are even Michelin-starred restaurants. So, before we wrap up, here are our ratings for Madonna di Campiglio. For snowboarders, it's an 8. Just because of the Great Ursus snow park that has the fast 8-seater chairlift along its side. For advanced skiers, a 7. The fact that the ski area isn't huge and the snow is quite slushy in most of March damages what should be a better score owing to the beautiful scenery. But if you're an advanced skier, you better stay to the end to hear my bonus tip. For beginners and intermediates, it's an 8. There are many easy slopes here, and the size of the ski area is big enough for a week-long vacation. For freestylers, it's a 9, just because of the amazing snow park, and another 3 snow parks in the ski area within easy reach. For freeriders, it's a 6. There are very few off-piste areas, most of which are between trees, and it's only recommended that experienced riders explore these with the assistance of a local guide. Some of the real backcountry skiing demands a bit of walking and can be quite tricky. Nightlife and après-ski, it's a 6. Except for some special weeks, the town is a bit sleepy, and more often than not, the party lovers around will end up at Piano 54. Resort charm, 8.5. The ski area is on an amazing natural area, which you can really feel while you ski. You can see a bigger variety of trees than usual, and the spectacle look of the Brenta is priceless. The town itself is a bit old-fashioned, but still full of charm, with a nice pedestrian area and a lake that becomes an ice skating rink in the depths of winter. Our total score for Madonna di Campiglio, especially given the value for money, is 7.5. Here's our bonus tip for Madonna di Campiglio. If you are an advanced skier, travelled by car and also like to drive and do some ski safari, I recommend that you buy the Super Ski-Rama ski pass, which costs only €11 more than the ski area ski pass for 6 days, and includes 380 kilometers of runs within a 1-hour drive from Madonna di Campiglio. There are some great ski areas there, including the highly recommended Adamello ski area, where you can enjoy skiing on the Presena iceberg. If you like this video, you can watch my videos on Val Thorens, Campitello di Fassa and other ski resorts. You'll make our day if you push the like button. Better yet, why not subscribe to our channel for free? Don't forget to press the chime button on the right, so every time we upload a video, you'll be notified.